today.
On Make, Shape, Create.
We're going to take these supplies to make these sea glasses. Hi everybody, I'm Jessica.
I'm Cory.
And today we're going to be making sea glass using food coloring, Elmer's glue, and dish liquid. So we're going to be taking these glass pieces here and we're going to be making them look like sea glass. So I guess let's get started.
Alright, so we're going to start with this. We need a little bit of water, regular Elmer's glue, or school glue, because name brands don't matter. You're going to do 3 to 1. So I'm probably going to fill this up about here. I'm just going to eye it, guys. Oh well, this might take a little while.
Or you can take off the cap.
Oh yeah, why don't we do that?
See how much faster that is?
Shush it.
Look at that.
Alright, so now the next thing we need to do is we need to get just a few drops of dish liquid.
Definitely more than a few drops.
Well, that's okay. And you need to figure out what color you want. Now, we just got the basic set of food coloring. I'm going to do like a greenish blue. Wait a minute. Do I want to do that? Or do I want to do a different color?
I don't know.
I'm asking your opinion.
I'm doing orange, so.
You know, I'm just going to do blue. Maybe I'll add some green to it. We'll see. I don't know how much that's going to be. We're going to find out. We can always add more. Can't take it away. You can always add more. So I'm going to grab a popsicle stick. Mix this up real good. And it's going to be a little cloudy, and that's fine. Once we stir it all up, it should dry clear. I think we're going to need more coloring.
Yeah, I think you would do too.
The thing that's deceitful right now is that it's white. It's going to dry clear. So whatever white is in there won't be. But let's add more, just be on the safe side. We want to be able to see that this color's in there. Right? Right. That might be too much, but oh well. We like vivid colors here. Screw the muted stuff. Oh yeah, that's coloring. Now we got this all mixed. See, it is blue, but like I said, it's going to dry clear, so we don't want this too vivid. Okay, we're just going to take a foam brush and we're just going to paint it on. And actually, I think we might want to go a little darker, but that's okay. We can do layers. Alright, so I ended up adding, we did put a thing around, but it's really, really light, if you see this. So I ended up adding, I think about seven rounds of like 2 or 3 drops. But I want to add some green, so I'm going to do like a bunch of green. Keep wanting to say a number of drops, but then I don't count. So, I'm just going to see if this helps. And I'm noticing that like it wants to float to the top, so you kind of have to like get it down to the bottom. Oh, that's pretty. Mm-hmm. Do you think I need some more blue?
I actually like that color. It's kind of like sea foam.
Yeah. Sea foam for sea glass. That works. Okay. So let's try this, guys. Here we go. Oh, that's better. You can see the color this time. That's better. Don't be shy. Put it on thick. And also, we have a designated area for doing this stuff. If you're doing this stuff at home, you might want to put down some newspaper or something. because it is making a mess. And then we just slowly start covering the whole thing. So.
Guys, while his is drying, I'm going to go ahead and do a smaller vase. So I'm actually going to do orange because it's getting close to the holiday orange would be working for.
Why don't you learn from my mistake and take the lid off?
Oh yeah.
I
I know, and I'm always suggested it.
I know, right?
Just a little tired. Alright, let's do exactly what he did. Is that good or should I do more?
That's pretty good. And that's how you use a whole bottle of glue in a day.
That is how you do it. So, like I said, I'm doing orange.
You're going to want to put a lot.
So let's do...
That looks really gruesome. Look at that, guys. That looks really gruesome.
I did about 20 drops. We'll see what that looks like. Alright, next is the yellow.
I'm going to say that's probably good.
So 20 drops of each so far.
I'm glad she could count that. I think she made it up.
It's about 20. Your popsicle stick.
Yeah, you're at mix from the bottom. I learned that. I'm sure I'll come over here by you.
That's a pretty orange though.
You might need more yellow. You might be right. Nah, maybe not.
I kind of like this color, to be honest with you. Just trying to get it to mix.
Hey, you learned from my mistake. You got right on the first try.
And that's why I watch you do it first.
I'm the guinea pig, folks.
There's a lot of glue that's not mixing.
Yeah, it's fine. It sits on the side for some reason. Oh, you'll be all right. Like you've never had school glue on your hand before.
I have. And I need to add soap.
Oh, you didn't do that yet?
I don't think I did.
Yeah, you need here. Yes. There.
Thank you. So why do we add the soap?
I don't know. I'm following a recipe.
You're following a recipe.
Yeah. I don't ask why the bread needs yeast. I just know the bread needs yeast.
All right.
Hope you mix that in good.
Looks good to me, don't you think? All right. Here we go. And I turned mine upside down first.
Good. Yep. See, learning from my mistakes. Good job.
Yeah.
I pulled it at the top or at the base. Yeah, like that.
That is a pretty color.
Or you're going to go up and down.
Yes, I'm going to go up and down.
You don't like my horizontal? I think mine's evening out quite nicely. You gotta move your hand. I can't see what you're
Sorry,
doing.
I'm trying to hold the glass up.
Use more than you need. Let it pull.
I am.
I'm trying to help you.
See, I almost did that. It's just hard because it's like, this brush is really big.
So I just thought of something. Before you get all the way around, I have an idea. Can I try something?
Nope.
Okay.
I want to do it my way.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yep. I need to find their piece of glass.
Why, what are you doing?
I have an idea.
Just pour it on top?
Nope.
'Cause that's what I
Well,
was
that's
thinking.
a good idea too. No, I was thinking taking it and dipping it in the cup.
That would work too.
That would probably be easier, and then just spread it down. Oh, see, I was gonna leave that pool on the top so then you get the nice vivid color there.
I can't see this side.
Bottle, you are in the way.
This is making a huge mess, so.
Well, that's, again, why we have a designated area to make a mess. You got 2 streaks.
Okay, I know, but I can't see. Look good and covered?
It looks good and covered.
Oh, wait, this is right here.
I think they're definitely going to need second coats.
Yeah.
So we did forget about one thing, folks. You should do this on Mike's paper, because then it'll release easier. Oops.
Our bad. But, I mean, I don't think it looks bad.
No.
I'm just making sure it's all covered.
And the good thing is, again, this is like school glue and water. So if you've ever gotten school glue on your hand before, it comes right off. It's not a big deal.
It's gonna look pretty. I think they both are. All right, so we gonna let them dry now?
So that's hers. This is mine.
You missed a couple spots.
Well, no, I didn't miss them. It's just that they kind of weren't filling in, no matter how much I did it. So you watch.
Well, it's sticky now.
See? Oh, maybe it is sticking now. Maybe mine's dry enough. Oh, no, see, now I just got bigger holes. This is why you wait. This is why you wait. Nope, we wait. We wait. We wait.
We wait.
We wait. First coat's dried. Not quite the color I want anyway. I don't know what Jess is, but I have a feeling she's going to want to add a second coat too. So, time to add a second one.
Alright, so with mine, it's kinda... So it looks like sea glass. But I'm not so sure if I want to... Because he... So Cory started doing his and we realized that it's pulling some of it off.
I basically had to redo it.
So, I'm thinking what I'm going to do is seal mine first. And then maybe add another layer to get it a little oranger. I mean, it's pretty the way it is, though. What do you think?
Well, how about we seal it
Yeah.
and see what it looks like after that.
All right, let's do that.
And then we'll do that.
All right.
Okay?
Let's do that.
That's what we're going to do.
So now we wait. Everything has to dry again.
It looks like it kind of came off a little bit.
It does.
But
So I
we'll
am
find
gonna
out.
have to redo it once it probably finishes drying. But that's okay. No big deal.
It also might just be that it made it wet and so it looks clear.
Yeah.
That might just be optimistic.
We'll see.
So,
All right. Let's wait again.
more waiting. So what are we doing?
All right. So I clear coated it. And now it's not the right color.
It was. Now it's not.
So now I'm going to go ahead and do another layer. I'm hoping this will help it not come off easily.
The good thing is yours is smaller than mine is. And so I don't have 10 laps through yours, I don't think. You don't want to do my method and just throw it all on and let it run down?
No.
Why not? I like my method.
No, honey. What?
Look, watching what you're doing. I will say you got it evenly coated pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
I would put a pool on the bottom though, just so you get that intense color there.
I don't want to do that.
Fine then.
I'm not doing mine the same as yours. Okay. I guess I'll let that dry now. Oh, wait, maybe not. Spot. I don't know if it's evenly covered. Well, if it isn't, it is now.
Looks good to me. So now she's got to let hers dry.
Yep.
My big mess is still drying. I think it's drying pretty good though. I like the color. Of course, knowing what you just did, I'm probably going to have to clear coat mine and then put on our coat.
Probably. Alright guys, I guess we're going to wait.
Yep.
Drying time.
Alright, more drying time. Alright, so they're all dried. We're going to... She's already got one coat of clear on hers. I haven't done that yet, so we're going to try it on mine, see how it goes. Here we go. I'm going to try just doing one side at a time so that way I can still turn it. So because we weren't ventilated, we made sure we put on our mask. Here we go. Alright, there's time. Try hers now. Now we wait.
Alright guys, so that's it. This is our sea glass, painted glass.
Bowls and bottle.
Because I'm getting a little tired.
Been a long day.
So
anyway, what do you like? What don't you like?
I like the way it looks, except for I don't like how the paint kind of settled around the rim on that, and yours is a little streaky.
Yeah, well.
But
mine was a really big area too.
It was. But you know what? It's okay. I think they turned out pretty good for our first time.
Yes.
So
your technique was definitely a lot better than mine. I think what we should have done is I think you should have mixed the two. Maybe had it upright and then did it. Because then if it would have pulled down there, you wouldn't have seen it.
Good point. Probably should have done
That's
that.
probably what we should have done. And it's not wouldn't have been as hard for you to do it as up like that with yours. So if you guys want to try this in the future, those are our tips.
Yeah.
So
Anyway, I guess just if you would like to follow us on social media, you can check us at Make Shape Create on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And also, if you'd like to contribute to helping us make more projects like this, you could follow us or join us at Patreon.com/Make Shape Create. And if you have any suggestions, put them in the comments below.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, thumbs up button, and the ring little bell so you get notified whenever we put up a new video.
Yep.
And I think that's it for this week. So,
Bye,
see you guys. Have a good week.